Tampa, 11 May 2025. Fat chemtrails. Yesterday it was really tough raining. Interesting. Sick, huh? Why? And here too. Yeah, that is full. Insane shit. This is that directly about that, over that, where I am. Interesting, huh? And there is the next. No, I don't think. You see here the difference? There is no, that is a normal one. We don't have an endless strip. And that is not here. So what they do here? Why they do that, huh? I'll tell you why. Because abroad anything, the one person, there who is here to touch it, huh? All clear. So I was thinking about it, it's already a little bit later. So 15 minutes later, and it's still here. Disappearing slowly, but they're still here. Yesterday it was raining really tough, right? And today was spiritual, a very fruitful day. Yeah, the block Illulat. It is very clear. The block with the Illulat. It's very clear. They want garbage, the positive cosmic radiation down from Illu. Divine light from the center of the galaxy. It's very clear. There is no doubt. Because I bet today had several people a very spiritual enlightenment or whatever, and now they got it all down. 100%. Because it is nice that the rain yesterday washed all that shit down, would cover the light, and yeah, now today they bring it up again. 100%.